Hey guys, Chris here, Kioti Tractors. So the other thing we use the CS2610 for is for mowing grass. So we've got a 60-inch deck here on the CS2610. We're going to show you how good a job it does and how it makes life easier. In precarious situation, maybe we should put our seatbelt on. We have rollover protection. We'll use these on our ears. So let's engage the PTO. Let's engage the kit. Alright, we've decided the height on the left hand side. Let's bring our RPM up. And we lower them. Right. This decides our height. We're happy with that. And we're on.